Okay, so a lot of customers have asked us about replacing light kits. So we did this short video to explain the technique. There's one very big misconception about that, and that is that we are not replacing this outer housing. We're not replacing the entire light kit, only the inside portion. And that's why I've created this little extractor to remove the inside and this little wood key to remove the cap. So basically we're going to take our replacement light kit and take the cap off, and then we're going to place this extractor all the way in, and you'll notice there's a wing nut on here, and what we're going to do is basically tighten it just to the point where it just starts to engage against the plastic. From that point, it's about 1.5 turns. I'm telling you this because this is a very delicate operation. All of us working at Dubé Juggling have broken, unfortunately, or spoiled a number of these light kits, so you gotta be very careful. And once you get it tightened, you want to just wiggle it carefully, and you can see we're going to remove the entire electronics. You'll see the LED portion, the circuit board, the plastic sleeve, and two of these very small contact terminals coming up the side. So for this point, we're successful with part one. We're just going to remove the light kit inside portion. You can see that I've already disturbed it, and we're going to take the cap off of the ball. These light kits work on both a club and ball. So now we need to remove what I'm guessing is probably for you a broken light kit from inside a club or a ball. We're going to do again about 1.5 turns. And very exciting when we have a success. So this has been extracted. What I would do at this point is actually, in my case, these are both good light kits. I'm just going to replace that kit and put it aside. We're going to take this new light kit. Make sure the terminals, you will see that there are very small grooves on the side of this plastic barrel where the terminals go. So, and that's it. You just push it back in, put your cap on, and it's done. Voila.